Most women believe that to earn well in life, a job is the only safe option. Even I used to think the same, but slowly, when I started understanding business, I realized something shocking. These beliefs are the exact reasons why so many women never even start. In this video, I will share 4 biggest lies that I personally had to break and how you can start your own gold and diamond business even from zero. Hi, I am Bhavana Jain and I help women start their own gold and diamond business from home. And today I want to talk about something more important than strategy, mindset. Lie 1. Only job equal to security. Initially, even I believed that a job is the safest option. Fixed salary, fixed routine. But if you think deeply, your income is fixed. Your growth is limited. And slowly, I realized money doesn't come from jobs. Money comes from value. If you help someone choose the right jewellery, if you solve their need, you create value. And in business, you get rewarded for that. One more belief I had was that selling is uncomfortable. Maybe you also feel the same, but then I asked myself, when I help someone choose the right product, am I forcing them or helping them? And that changed everything. Selling is not forcing, selling is helping. In jewelry, people already want to buy. You just guide them correctly. Lie 3. I don't have knowledge. When I started exploring this, I did not know everything. And honestly, no one knows everything in the beginning. But today, we have so many ways to learn. You can understand gold basics, pricings, suppliers. So the real problem is not lack of knowledge. It's lack of starting. Lie 4. Business is too risky. This is the biggest fear. Business is risky. But think about this. Is depending on one salary really safe? Or building your own income source more powerful? And in this model, no shop, no inventory. You only buy after you get an order. That's not risky, that's smart. These 4 beliefs were not just thoughts. They were stopping me from even trying. And I know many women are stuck at the same place. But once you change this, everything starts changing. If you are someone who wants to start something of your own, but you don't know where to begin, I have created a free training where I explain step by step how you can start your own gold and diamond business from home. Link is in the description. No pressure, just clarity. And maybe this could be your first step.